Alright, I'm taking out the bolts now. One of them was unthreaded, was like real bad. Taking the 3 bolts out now, as you see. Three of them. Finally getting it out. Alright. I'm gonna put them all back in the holes of the cam gear lock. As you see right here is the cam gear lock thing right here. You just fold it up when you tighten everything. Now this should just easily come right off. Yeah, so easily come right off. You notice this little hole right here is on the right side. Okay, everything is lined up. The big sprocket is on 6 o'clock, and the small one, the crankshaft, is actually 6, and the cam gear is 6 o'clock. 6 and 12. Okay, this right here is on the right side, kind of basically even with that. I am getting a new cam. I'm getting a new cam gear sprocket, so this should easily just come right off, and it did. Here it is. There you go. It looks good. I don't think there's even a point of getting a new one, but it's not a bad idea. I don't know how long this was here. I have no idea, but this is it. Basically, next time I put it on, I would just put it on like that, which is easy. Not a hard fit. This I don't need to take out at all. I'm gonna put this on top of a bag. I'm gonna put this on the bag, inside the bag, actually, just so I can stay moist and whatever, and just so I don't lose it, basically. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is take the cam out. So what we'll do here is I'm going to put a temporary one just so that I could pull out the cam. Basically, yeah, I'm going to just put on a temporary one. Just one, so I can pull it out. And I might have to take out, I'm noticing, this bumper, reinforced. I might have to